Hi dearest, did you know you can change your ordinary lace material to a sequence lace? Yes, you can. Now let me show you how to get doing it. Now I'd already made this kind of loops that I wanted to use on my turban, and I was like, nah, it needs to be sequenced. It was for a client, and so I got this sequence trimmings that you can see me cutting, and the first thing you need to do is cut off those nets that are there. Then if it's already on a cloth, you need to do your measurement to know how you're going to be placing it on your cloth, because you can actually do this on your gown, on your skirt, on your tops, whatever it is. You can change it from ordinary lace to a sequence lace. All right, so this is how I went about doing it. I used my uhu gum to stick it. Now don't think it's going to end just like that. If you stick it, imagine if you have to wash your clothes after a while, or after probably some years, it will start coming off. So you need to take your needle and thread, and this time around you make use of fishing line because it's invisible, you wouldn't see it. So then you're going to sew it like so. Ensure you sew every line. So what I did was, like you're doing a rectangle, up, left, down, right. Do you understand? So that's what you do all the way around, and you're gonna have that gorgeous looking lace, looking more gorgeous, like you can see in this turban that I finally made with it. Now you can imagine if it was just the way it was before, it would look so glittering and fantastic. Oh, I'm tripping as it is. So if you can't find a lace that you like being sequenced, buy the lace you like and then turn it to be a sequence lace. Now check out this next video to know how I made the turban.